Hello my darling demons, it's Jasmine TriDevil. So, in my last video, I showed you what it's like decorating my house for my Halloween party. I just had it 2 days ago and the Halloween party was a success. Everybody had a great time. We had a piñata, a costume contest. My sister ended up winning the sexiest costume, which isn't surprising because she's a beautiful girl. So everything about the party went really well. I always have an apple game where there's like 6 or 7 apples hanging up and there's 2 people per apple. You can't use your hands and usually the other person like holds it in place while the other person bites it. And whichever couple finishes the apple first wins. This year I was surprised because this one couple in particular had their apple like fall down. Instead of quitting like most people would, they actually picked it up and they still didn't use their hands and they still won the contest. So I was impressed with that. Here's a quick video to show you what it was like. That was a fun game. So in this video, I'm going to be carving a pumpkin. Well, not exactly. I'm not good at carving pumpkins, I suck at it. So instead, I'm just going to be removing the guts out of the pumpkin, cleaning the seeds, and then cooking them. If I'm up for it, I might even like apply this into the pumpkin. With this, you can just like put a hole in it, stick it in, put any soda or beer you want, and then it just dispenses right out. So let's get started. Okay. I'm already fucking up. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. 1. Yes. Okay. I think it's ready. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I almost forgot how fun this is. So first, let's get the excess off of this. Okay. And now, the dirty part. Oh, look how beautifully gross that is. Slimy. So slimy. Yet so fun. I do like taking slime out of things. It's been a while since I stuck my hand in something. You know, I know in a lot of my videos I seem kind of awkward and I stutter a lot. It's mainly because I just get nervous on camera. I do feel that I'm finally kind of getting over that more and more. It's a skill that you just have to exercise. I have a friend, her name is Dee, and I see she's just getting into YouTubing as well. You can look her up, her name is Dee Zeta. She's another goth and she's amazing. I saw she was posting that she was having trouble talking on camera too. And she said that she deleted a lot of videos that she intended on posting, but she just couldn't do it. But she's doing good now. Like I saw some of her videos and she's getting there. It's just something that you have to practice, that's all. How do you want me? How do you want me? That's like my favorite song now. I hope you feed me. That song is so sexy. Another song one of my friends showed me was called Selfish Love by Jessie Ware. It's just so sexy and erotic, I think, in a very classy way. I love my Gothic friends. There's just not enough of us, you know. You're lucky if you can even find a Gothic club near you where you can meet more of your type. There was one place that I really loved going to. I won't say its name, but I'm not allowed there anymore because of drama that my ex started. And my life just hasn't been the same ever since. I've been banned for 3 years. I just can't find any other place that has people like me. As you can see, I'm a little different than the average person, and going into a let me say, normal club, it's just not the same. I can't connect with those people like I could at this other place. I just have to try to cope with that. You know what we call normal people? The Goths? We call them Muggles. It's a term from Harry Potter. That's what they called people without powers. I just love that term. I hate to hate on normal people, but they do sometimes hate on us. Like, I remember when I would go to this place and then when the so-called Muggles would show up, they wouldn't go there to learn about us. They would go there to make fun of us. Not all of them, of course, but a lot of them would. The way they would talk, you know, you could tell that they were a little demeaning about it. And we can all see right through it. If you go to a Gothic club and you're not really in the family, like, just don't do that. Just talk to us like any other person and try to be open-minded to our culture. Because what we really want is we want more Gothic people in our family. We want you to join our family. But we just don't want to be made fun of in the process. So that's why when normal people go to our sanctuary, I'll call it, we don't really take you seriously. Only because it's kind of sad, but we are stereotyping you. But one thing you can do if you do happen to go to a Gothic club is just at least wear black. If you go in and you're wearing like bright pink or bright green, I hate to say it, but a lot of them aren't going to want to talk to you. Just keep that in mind and just talk to us like any other person. Anyway, I'm almost done. See, it's pretty hollow. I don't know if you can see, but I'm getting somewhere with it. I think you gotta twist it. I haven't done this in a year. Ugh. Yes, I got it. I got it. Yes, yes, yes. What a perfect little hole. Ooh. Look at how perfect. This should be the easy part. This. You just screw it right in as tight as you can. And voila, my pumpkin dispenser. There we go. I'm probably just gonna cook them off camera because it's not really an interesting video. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna show you a quick preview of how my pumpkin dispenser turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos, and I wish you all a happy Halloween. Goodbye, my darling demons.